Do you hate deciding what's for dinner? People tell me all the time they hate it, and it's been, in one form or another, my literal job for almost 20 years to tell people what to have for dinner. So you found the right spot. I will tell you what's for dinner. The first thing you should make for dinner is spanakopita. This version I made in like a little casserole dish, but you can also make it like in a square form and then cut it up. It's good for snacks. It's good for appetizers. It goes in the freezer. It's made from ingredients in the freezer. It's got spinach and cheese. It's absolutely amazing. I think I'm going to make one this week because it's been a little while. Down here, chicken and rice. I think every cuisine in the world probably has their own version of chicken and rice. It's classic. You can't lose. Whatever version you want to go with. This is kind of a roughly Spanish-y paella almost version. Some tomato paste in the rice. I think I did like a little saffron though. And those are some Brussels sprouts and peas on top. Endless varieties. Always a winner. Tastes amazing the next day. So make double and you can have this a few times. Okay, last but not least, this is a really good idea, you guys. So you can just roast a baking potato. I like to roast it and get lots of salt and pepper and oil on the skin so that the skin gets really crispy and papery and almost like a potato chip. And then all I did was cut it in half and top it with sour cream and smoked salmon, which you can buy at the store. So it's a really easy, fast way. A lot of people tell me they're afraid to cook fish. This is an awesome way to eat more fish and it tastes amazing. And then if you need dessert, I recommend ice cream.